Hi friends! Today we are going on a yum adventure. We will visit the food town and explore the different types of foods. Are you ready? Let's go!
We're going on a food adventure. Come along and see. Bao, Mimi, and Pepi. Where will we go? Let's see. Pasta paradise, noodles so long, spaghetti trees, let's sing a song. Taco town, where tacos grow, come and taste the fun, let's go. Sushi sea with rolls so bright, rolling waves, what a sight. Floating kitchen in the sky, fruits and veggies oh so high. Pasta paradise, noodles so long, spaghetti trees, let's sing a song. Taco town, where tacos grow, come and taste the fun, let's go. Bao is smiling, Mimi's dancing, Pepi's flying, hearts are prancing. Food and fun, it's all around. Join the adventure, come and get down. Pasta paradise, noodles so long, spaghetti trees, let's sing a song. Taco town, where tacos grow, come and taste the fun, let's go. Come and taste the fun, let's go.
Thank you so much for coming along, friends. We hope you enjoyed the food adventure, and remember to eat well to become a strong friend. Thanks for watching and having fun with us today. If you enjoyed the song, don't forget to hit that like button and the subscribe button. Check out the description below for some free coloring pages you can print and enjoy. See you next time!